Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we're to describe the 7 steps in job costing. So the first step to job costing is to identify the job that is the chosen cost object. So identify the job that is the chosen cost object. Now the next step 2, after identifying the job, step 2 is to identify the direct cost of the job. Step 3 is to select the cost allocation basis to use for allocating indirect costs to the job. So select the cost allocating basis to allocate indirect costs to the job. Now step 4 is to identify the indirect cost associated with each cost allocation base. So identify the indirect costs associated with each cost allocation basis. Step 5 is to compute the rate per unit of each allocation base used to allocate indirect costs to the job. So we compute the rate per unit of each cost allocation base used to allocate indirect costs to the job. Now step 6 is to compute the indirect cost allocated to the job. And the final step is to compute the total cost of the job by adding the direct and the indirect costs assigned to the job. So we compute the total cost of the job by adding all direct and indirect costs assigned to the job. So these are the 7 steps in job costing.